This video will cover focus advantages and hybrid strategies as part 3 of our series on the fundamental strategies of business. Focus strategies explain how focusing on the right customer segment can give you additional differentiation or cost advantages, leading to greater profits. Hybrid strategies explain how integrating differentiation and cost advantages can create a profitable market niche. To recap our prior videos, we learned that customers will buy our product because it is different, that is better than competitors. But customers must be willing to pay a price increase that is more than what it costs us to create that difference. Or customers will buy our product because it costs less than our competitors. But this requires us to lower our own cost below that of our competitors. To these two advantages, we will add focus strategies and the hybrid strategy of integrating differentiation and cost advantage. Firms choose a focus strategy to better serve the needs of a specific customer segment or industry segment. First, this can be a particular buyer group, such as single moms or affluent seniors. Second, this can be a particular segment of a product line, such as products aimed at professional painters or do-it-yourselfers. Or third, this can be a focus on a particular geographic market. So how does the focus strategy work? Firms can create value for a specific segment of the market if focusing allows for increased differentiation and/or lower costs. For instance, instead of offering a one-size-fits-all cruise, a firm might decide to focus on the market segment of young single people. This would allow the firm to offer amenities on the cruise that appeal specifically to young single people that may not appeal to the broader market. Alternatively, a firm could focus on seniors for cruises. This potentially could have savings in staffing because everything could close down early because the seniors would all go to bed. Now, to be successful, firms must have the core competencies required to provide better value or price to the specific segment than the competitors serving the entire industry. So what are the risks of focus strategies? First, a competitor focusing on an even more narrowly defined market segment and achieving greater differentiation and/or cost savings. Industry-wide competitors deciding to focus on a specific customer segment through an expanded product line. And finally, if the differences are reduced between the needs of a specific market segment and those of the rest of the industry, resulting in a lower customer value for the focused offering. Next, we come to the hybrid strategy, officially called the Integrated Cost Leadership Differentiation Strategy. Now, using a hybrid strategy, firms will either provide a relatively lower cost product with some value differentiation features over the cheapest products, or produced an almost as good differentiated products at lower cost than the comparison differentiated product. An easy example of pursuing the integrated strategy is what we see with Target. On the one side, you have Walmart, the obvious low-cost leader. On the other, you have Macy's, focusing on differentiation. Now, Target tries to sit between these two extremes, offering a better value than Macy's, but more differentiation than Walmart. Another example of the integrated strategy would be Hyundai's Genesis, which provides an affordable luxury compared to the BMW 5 Series. So what are the risks of an integrated strategy? Well, first, you have all the risks of differentiation and cost leadership, plus the cost leader's product becoming better, thereby reducing the firm's differentiation advantage, or the differentiation leader's product becoming cheaper, thereby reducing the firm's cost advantage. Therefore, you have this danger of being squeezed in the middle of the two sides that you are trying to sit between. Finally, we summarize all of the fundamental strategies of business in this one handy chart. You can see the differences based on target market being broad or narrow, and what the basis for the customer value is. Is it distinctiveness or cost? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can watch another one right now and learn even more, or subscribe for future videos. If you have any questions about this topic, leave them in the comments and they may be featured in an upcoming Q&A video.